today we are talking about donkeys. We visited a donkey sanctuary in Mallow in County Cork. Basically they rehabilitate and rescue donkeys that have been mistreated or injured and provide them with a home. Basically it's just a really cute place to visit.
So cute.
Oh, the donkeys.
So many cute donkeys. There's like thousands and thousands, like maybe 3,000, but thousands of donkeys.
What if it was thousands?
3,000 donkeys.
Okay. Maybe in the visit part? You go up and down so fast.
I don't have time. I don't have
But
time
you don't
to wait.
read any of it.
Wait, look. Over 5,600 donkeys from all parts of Ireland have been taken into our care here.
Okay, fine.
Thousands and thousands of donkeys.
Here we are at the donkey sanctuary.
What beautiful ears you have. Oh, hello. Do you want some attention?
Oh,
Hello. Oh, and you too?
okay.
Oh, hello. Boy.
Oh, your ears are so big you're gonna fly away. You might have seen a housefly. Maybe even a superfly. I bet you ain't never see a donkey fly. Oh, hello. Hello. What are you doing? Oh.
Yes.
The donkeys go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Oh, oh, hello. Oh. Oh.
Oh, we get to the donkey sanctuary. As soon as we walk in, basically, I see this donkey. I'm like, oh my god, a donkey! Like it's a surprise. Like I'm at the donkey sanctuary. I'm obviously going to see a donkey or two. But I was really excited. I get my camera out straight away and I'm like clicking away. And I'm like, oh, something's not working. What's going on here? And I was like, I forgot to put the battery in the camera. After we'd driven an hour to get there, I forgot the battery in my camera. Like, the only reason I have a camera is so I can take photos of animals. Like, I forgot it.
You're so cute.
Food time.
Lovely face.
Yes. You like that? Yeah.
This one's name is Stark.
Stark?
Yeah.
Oh no. Look at this guy. Oh. I just want to throw a ball.
I know.
Oh, hey.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, is that an... Ooh, what are you doing? Oh. Oh, hello.
Oh, your nose is so soft.
Oh, hey.
Oh, you got George.
Hey there.
Ellie. Ellie.
That ass. Get it? You get it?
Oh, I got it, doll.
Is that nice, Jimmy? Yeah. That's nice. Oh. What's this guy doing?
It was really good to go to a place like that because at some of the places in Ireland there were these donkeys and they were like all dressed up and kind of just out on the street there for tourism to make money, but they did not look happy. Like they're in these outfits and it was just really sad to see. Like they're just looking down by themselves, been sitting out in, it was sunny that day, surprisingly for Ireland, but, or sitting out there in the cold, yeah, just really unhappy. So to go to somewhere like the Donkey Sanctuary was quite cool because they have such a good life there. Like when we got there, they were being brushed, like the donkeys were being brushed. Like those donkeys are more well kept than I am, well, especially you.
Do you want to brush my hair?
No.
Why not?
Absolutely not. I can't be bothered.
Oh,
Marcella, did you just sneeze on Rebecca?
you just sneezed all over me. Why are you eating the wood? I feel like you would be in trouble for that.
They all have their own collars like dogs and their own names. Oh. Jimmy's back. Back again. Oh, Marcella.
Hello.
And you?
You guys are seriously doing well on that fence.
Oh,
Hey, Marcella.
beautiful.
Hello.
That donkey's name is Jigglypuff. Hello. What are you?
Shaggy.
The donkey has no name. Hello.
Where's your collar?
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you're just a giant puppy, aren't you? Yes. Oh.
You are a giant puppy.
Who is your favourite donkey?
The fluffy one.
The fluffy one.
Apart from forgetting my camera, it was such a good day. Like everyone there was so friendly. All of the staff. Are they volunteers there?
Most of them, some are paid, but most of the volunteers, they just go in to groom the donkeys and look after them for a few hours.
Yeah, and they just have a chat and tell us about them and stuff, which was just really cool. If we had a donkey, what would you name it?
Oh God, you're putting me on the spot. Call it Honk.
Honk.
Yeah, they have really long noses.
Honk the donkey.
Yes. Honk the donkey.
Honk.
Honk, do you want your breakfast?
Honk.
What would you call a donkey?
Oh, not honk. I would name the donkey. We have to go. We're late for work drinks.
So we don't work. We're on vacation.
Is that what you're wearing?
What?
I'm kidding! I joke! Alright guys, thanks for coming. See you next time.
Honk. Bye!
My nose is itchy.
At Skellig Michael.
There's puffins.
So many puffins. Hello, friend. Orange beaked beauty. Ooh! Just got off the Skellig Michael tour. It was amazing. We picked up a stray. Sorry, what was your name again?
I'm from Canada.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.